Sorry about this. This ain't exactly the best video yet, but this is a pretty unusual gun. If there's anybody out there that has experience with them handguards, and there's variations to them and everything else, a video reply to this would be great. So I'll get my guard screws good and tight. Okay. And then handguard's on there. A little loose. I don't know if that front barrel band helps with it. Hold on a second. We'll slide that on. Okay, we're going to put our rear barrel band band. It slid down on there. Hold on a second. Okay, this only goes on one way, and with mine it's with the screw, the slotted thing of the screw facing you. Slide it in, and it does help lock this handguard in. Here. It's not moving. So, like I showed you, them wires are pretty old and frail. I don't know about it. Alright, and now we got to get this other barrel band back on. And again with the pencil and the clamp, and get that back to where it is. Okay, we get our pencil taped on again, and then we're going to put our clamp on and then start to apply pressure. I'll get that set up before I start. Okay, now trying to hold this. You'll see as we apply pressure, we lower that thing down in there till we can get this to slide over, which actually takes a lot of pressure. It crushed that pencil. Man, I don't want to go. There. Okay. That's on there. I don't like doing that. Alright, that's that there. Then we'll get the cleaning rod back in. Okay, now we get the cleaning rod back in through there. Turn that in. I know this isn't my best video, but this is trying to get this done. I might have to redo this. And then you just place in your bolt. And that's it. It's my attempt at it. Anybody that has one of these and has a better video, you can post a video response or help out here. But now we're going to go on to do the bolt assembly, disassembly.